Gajmukhasur becomes Ganesha's mount. There is another interesting story about how Ganesha got a mouse as his vehicle. Once there lived a demon named Gajmukha. He worshipped Shiva fervently. Once he performed severe penance and attained many boons from Shiva. But Gajmukhasur did not use them wisely. Instead, he became vain and started tormenting the gods and the sages alike. He used to force them to do 1008 sit-ups each thrice a day. Fed up, the gods and the sages pleaded with Shiva to save them from Gajmukhasur's antics. Shiva sent Ganesha to destroy Gajmukhasur. But Ganesha could not destroy the demon as he had attained a boon that he could not be killed by any weapon. Finally, Ganesha broke off his right tusk to pierce the demon. Gajmukhasur rushed towards Ganesha in the form of a mouse, Mushak. Quelling the demon's ego, Ganesha sat on top of Mushak, who could not bear Ganesha's weight. So, the conquered Gajmukhasur apologized to Ganesha, who made him his Vahan. Gods plot against Ganesha. The gods were excited. Lord Vishnu was getting married to goddess Lakshmi. Heaven was all decked up and preparations were on in full swing. All the gods were invited to the wedding. A day before the wedding, the gods went to meet Vishnu at his abode. Vishnu was puzzled to see them before him. "My wedding is tomorrow. Why have you all gathered here? Is there any problem?" he asked them. The gods told Vishnu that they were not at ease to take Ganesha along with them for the wedding ceremony. Surprised, Vishnu asked them the reason behind their uneasiness. One of them replied, "My lord, Ganesha looks so odd, and we are not comfortable when he is around, and he eats too much. Why should we take him if he will embarrass you in front of goddess Lakshmi and her family?" Ganesha dropped from Vishnu's wedding. Vishnu was perplexed. He told the gods that he had already invited Ganesha to his wedding and he could not stop him from accompanying them now. But the gods had already hatched a plot. "Please tell Ganesha that the demons could seize heaven if they came to know that it is empty. Flatter him about his strength and make him guard heaven while we are away." Vishnu did not want to leave Ganesha behind, but he agreed under the pressure from the gods. He told Ganesha to stay back and guard heaven. Ganesha was hurt. He had earnestly wanted to attend Vishnu's wedding, but he had to sit all alone in heaven. Now, sage Narad, who loved to stir up trouble, came to Ganesha and told him about the plan of the gods. Ganesha flew into a rage when he realized how the gods had plotted against him, preventing him from attending Vishnu's wedding. He vowed to take revenge. Ganesha, the obstacle creator. Ganesha was extremely angry when he came to know that the gods had conspired against him to prevent him from attending Vishnu's wedding. So he decided to take revenge on them. Ganesha told his mount, Mushak, to dig a hole on the road where the marriage procession was about to pass. The obedient Mushak did as he was told to do. When the wedding procession reached that place, the wheel of Vishnu's carriage plunged into the hole. As the wheel had got stuck in the hole, the wedding group could go no further. All the attendants of Vishnu joined in to pull out the wheel, but it was badly stuck. Though the gods too gave a hand in pulling out the wheel, yet it further sank into the ground. Everybody was quite anxious, as the auspicious time set for the marriage was fast approaching. The bridegroom himself was bewildered. Vishnu wondered who could be so strong and courageous enough to stop his wedding procession.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.